see you.
Yeah, you too.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are on live now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm only taking.
Over there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm only taking around. You know. And I like this. Do they have fire, no light show up there or something? No.
Yeah, Richard Dean again. I'll go for that.
Teaching children to waste their money.
Yes, that's right.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
And then when they're adult
They
and
gamble.
they have a problem,
Yeah.
a gamble
Yeah.
problem, they have to
Yeah.
go and have a hat.
Yeah. I'm glad we don't have this in Iceland.
No, I think it will not be allowed.
No.